Once you register, you can get into the app to control the thermostat. You need to go to find the Total Comfort Connect app. I tried the Honeywell thermostat app and I couldn't sign on, so I don't know. I didn't want to fuss with it anymore. But you can turn the fan on to on, and it should update right here. I hear it. You might not see it in here. Well, maybe. Yeah, fan on status. So circulate is just it comes on and off within I think 3 times an hour or something like that. So this way you can just don't have to come back here, turn the fan on and off. You could turn the heat on. So I'm gonna put it back to home. So I'm gonna submit. It should take a few seconds. And the status, okay, so waiting for equipment, heat on. So then it usually takes another minute or minute and a half for the interior fan to come on. So in this case, my fan's already turned on manually.